Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about that how to disable AWS CloudWatch alarm actions using the AWS Python alarms. That is a real-time production scenarios. Usually whenever we are doing some reboot of the production system, some activities, services start, stop, and I would say patchings, I would say stop and restart. So during this time window, 5 to 10 minutes, unnecessary alarms will come and due to the production issues, right? And so we have one solution over the AWS CloudWatch. We can use Python, AWS Python Lambda, and through the Python Lambda, we can disable the CloudWatch alarms. We do have one other ways, right? We can use a Amazon Event Bridge scheduler, and using the scheduler call to event bridge call to Python Lambda call disable the variables. So we have already created this video as well, but today we are going to Python Lambda how we can. So let's start. So basically we have two alarms already. CloudWatch alarm we do have, right, in our console, right? Two alarm we have already created. A network alarm, this is the net, and this is the CPU alarm, and this is action. We want to do this action need to be disabled, okay, using the Python alarms, right? So using the Lambda, AWS Lambda, I have already created one AWS Lambda function. This is. And if you guys have any issues to understand this, so I have already created one AWS Python Lambda playlist, my channel playlist, okay? So these are the fundamentals of the videos, right? I would say. So you can go through these videos as well, okay? You can go through AWS IAM beginner to production, right? And I would select AWS CloudWatch and Terraform. I have created using my overall experience. Now you can see in this as well, right? So we have created this disable alarms. Hopefully everybody knows about the alarm, AWS alarm handlers and all, right? If you don't know, I have already created two videos, introduction video. So we do have these handlers, execution architecture, log, environment variable, all these things I have explained in these two videos. So let's come to the point, right? So we have these alarm def lambda handler. By event we can pass some payload, and the payload means like alarm names, okay, which we have already explained. These two alarm name I will pass, and then will able to disable the alarm. So logger I have explained in previous two videos in my AWS Lambda playlist, and I am just printing event, printing context. Boto3 dot client, I am creating object with the CloudWatch API. Event dot get, that is alarm name. Alarm name will come at the set of the list, right? It could be a one alarm, two alarm, list of the string, okay? I will show you and I will give you right away heads up. So this is the key, and these are values in list of the string, okay? So that's why it is the Python. If not alarm name, if we do not have any alarm, like list of string is null, there is no alarm, so it will show. And try for a name, this is a variable, for loop in alarm name is this, right? This is the alarm name. All alarm name will come. Logger into a name, we have printed the a name. This is a for loop object dot disable alarm action, and this is the syntax. Alarm names is equal to a name. A name is, if you are running for loop, alarm name has the three values. So first value come, and then first value disable, then again loop, second value disable, again loop, third value disable. If you are a hardcore Python developer, so you can use some if we have passed some wrong payload, alarm does not exist, so you can update your code here accordingly, because I'm just sending you a general code, and this general code, if you are putting right input, it is working. There will be no issues at all. And I have exception E, right? So return, this is I have general exception block I used. You can use more coding and all, right? But this will work, right? So I have created this, and I will first deploy this. If there is no issues, save it. I mean to say there is no change available. I will show you in front of you, right? I will copy this input because I need to pass this, because these are the alarm names which I already showed you here, right? These are alarm names. Okay, this is action enabled. I will just need to be action enabled. Okay, and just need to pass testing, manually testing, I would say Python alarm. If you have a EC2, just need to put the cron and AWS CLI. Using the AWS CLI, you can pass if you have these type of the input, right? Just need to pass some values. Okay, so I have passed these values, right? Just need to test. I'm just going to test, right? And hopefully this is succeed. Let's see that the body is alarm has been disabled. This is here, some set of the event. Then this is internal, no retry needed. Okay, that is here. I will show you the AWS CloudWatch logs as well, because this is a detailed log, I would say. Okay, detailed log means if you are able to do, I have some printing and all, right? Alarm printing and all. Let me show you here. This is disabling the alarm event. Okay, I will show you this, right? Because connection and all, a lot of things in internal. Okay, this is printed. This is my alarm name. Okay, alarm name is this, right? Two alarm name we do have. Context we are printing. This is context printed. Post that chaining event name, right? Chaining event, creating a client class, right? This is the internal for this, right? Chaining. Looking for credential. Found and all these things, right? And this is the alarm name we have printed. And this is internal because this code itself, right? This and this code, I would say this is the internal logs and all, right? So let's see at the end what we have right now. Is it disabled or not? This is action is disabled. Okay. Action is disabled. That is disabled. Earlier it was enabled, right? So if you guys like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.